Let's take a look at our weather right now across the area. Well, yesterday, too, we saw some very warm temperatures. Got up to 92 yesterday, 12 degrees above average for this time of year, and 8 degrees shy of the record yesterday. Today is going to be also, again, very warm, getting into those low 90s. Still don't think we're going to be close to a record not only today, but the rest of the week. That doesn't mean, though, it's not going to be hot, because we are looking at some very warm temperatures. 88 was the high in Bend yesterday, 91 in Corvallis, 93 in Roseburg. Out along the coast, 66 in Newport, and 70 in North Bend. This morning, you're waking up on the mild side. Temperatures into Central Oregon, 45 in Sun River. Bend, you're at 55 degrees. Along I-5, you're looking at those upper 50s and low 60s. Same with along the coast this morning. So again, a mild start to the day, already getting a jump start on our temperature climb. We're looking at very warm temperatures even by lunchtime, and then again later today inland, at least along the coast, so keeping it more on the mild side. Mostly clear skies inland. Out along the coast, so you are looking at some fog this morning. That's going to move offshore as we head into the later parts of this morning, and then this afternoon we'll definitely see more sunshine out there. High pressure's in full control of our weather. It's located just to our south, keeping that jet stream well to the north and keeping us under fair conditions. That's why we're keeping it very sunny out there. We'll only have a slight chance for a thunderstorm once we get into both tomorrow and then again on Wednesday, but that's going to mainly be on the Cascades. Otherwise, our weather is going to be very quiet this entire week. So stormcast over the next 24 hours. I'll start things off this morning. You can already see the clouds again and fog right out there along the coast, trying to work its way through the coastal gaps. As we head later into this morning, you can see those clouds move out offshore. They'll just be right out there along the coastline, but again offshore. As you head into the early parts of this evening, though, you begin to see the clouds and fog return in the coastal communities and then push a little bit further inland once we get into tonight. Still going to look at another mild night ahead, and then also again some very warm temperatures tomorrow. But the one spot that is escaping all of the heat is along the coast. You're looking at those upper 60s later today. It's also going to be breezy. Wind gusts will be around 35 miles per hour. Sustained winds out of the north 10 to 20 miles per hour. For the Umpqua Basin, we're back into the low 90s again today. Another very warm day out there. A lot of sunshine. Winds be out of the northwest 10 to 15, so a little bit of a breeze to provide some relief from the heat. Over the Cascade Passes, you're looking at those low 80s. The foothills, though, getting into the low 90s. A very hot day out there today. Same with Central Oregon, upper 80s and low 90s later today. For those in the Willamette Valley, temperatures will climb back into those low 90s again. We saw them yesterday. Didn't quite make it there on Saturday. We fell at 89 degrees, so just shy of 90 degrees there. But again, it is going to be another hot day out there. A little bit breezy, though. Wind gusts will be around 20 miles per hour, so maybe some relief from the heat, but it's probably going to be a very hot wind out there later today. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast along the coast, with rains breezy as we head into Tuesday. We'll start off each and every morning with the clouds and a few areas of fog, but otherwise sunshine later in the day. Temperatures climbing in the mid to upper 60s in the afternoon. The Umpqua Basin, you're looking at 7 days of sun and 7 days of low 90s. It's going to be a very hot week ahead. Make sure you are prepared. There is no relief from the heat, at least over the next week. For those in the Cascades, you are looking at a chance for thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and also on Wednesday afternoon, and then possibly again this weekend. A few isolated thunderstorms that we don't want to hear this because, of course, that means frequent lightning could spark a wildfire. We'll definitely keep you posted as we head into tomorrow if any do get sparked. Here's the 7-day forecast for the Willamette Valley, looking at those low 90s tomorrow, and then as we head into Wednesday through the end of the week, we cool off slightly. Still, though, it's only about 3 or 4 degrees below 90 degrees, so not really feeling much different. We'll be in those mid to upper 80s through the end of the week. Next weekend, though, we're back at 90 degrees.